Hello Sketchers, this is an original Dr. Jeff art video. Sketchers have been asking me, how did you customize your watercolor palette? Well, here's the answer. First let's look at my old watercolor palette. As you can see, there are spaces for 14 pans, plus a center area for a sponge made from a paper towel, plus a small space for a little white gouache for just when you need it. These are all Kremer pigments, which, by the way, I highly recommend. My problem was I needed more colors, so at first I started carrying a second palette. As you can see, there are spaces for 14 more pans, with spaces I really didn't need because of all I wanted were 8 additional colors. Plus it was inconvenient to carry 2 palettes. So I purchased from Kremer the next size palette, which had space for 28 full pans. But this larger size palette was a little floppy and too unstable for my satisfaction, so I went downtown to Canal Plastics and had a base cut with a space for the finger ring and glued it on with Gorilla Glue. The next thing I did was cut space in the palette to reduce the number of pans and make room for a sponge and my little tube of white gouache. So watch as I add the colors. Abracadabra. Colors. The final customization was a plastic cup with industrial magnets to make sure I had water handy. So Sketchers, I'm off to paint and break in my new customized watercolor palette. Till next time, this is Dr. Jeff.